At All-Fi Hub Review 2025. Watch this before you buy. At All-Fi Hub sounds like the ultimate home internet solution, but is it actually worth it in 2025? Most people buy it without knowing what it really does, so let's break it down. The At All-Fi Hub is a combined modem and Wi-Fi router designed specifically for At Fiber. It supports Wi-Fi 6 or newer standards, offering faster speeds, better range, and improved performance with multiple devices. In real-world use, the All-Fi Hub handles streaming, gaming, and video calls smoothly. Homes with many connected devices benefit the most, especially with smart TVs, phones, and smart home gear running at the same time. Setup is simple. Plug it in, follow the app instructions, and you're online in minutes. You won't believe how much easier it is compared to older router setups. However, here's what most people get wrong. You have limited control compared to high-end third-party routers. Advanced users may find the settings restrictive. Another downside is the equipment fee. While often bundled, you're still paying monthly for hardware you don't own. Over time, that cost adds up. The surprising truth is that the All-Fi Hub is great for most households, but not ideal for power users who want deep customization. If you want stable, fast Wi-Fi with minimal effort, the All-Fi Hub delivers. If you want total control, you may prefer your own router. Watch this before you buy, because knowing your needs makes all the difference. Subscribe for more honest internet hardware reviews.